Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase PPC campaign effectiveness with Bing Ads. Full guides. Begin by logging into your Bing Ads account. Navigate to the campaign that you want to improve. Analyze your current performance metrics. Look at your click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per click. Identify which keywords are driving the most traffic. Focus on high-performing keywords and consider increasing their bids. Examine low-performing keywords. Consider pausing or removing these keywords to optimize your budget. Review your ad copy for relevancy and appeal. Make sure your headlines spark interest and encourage clicks. Update your ad extensions to provide additional information. Include site links, callouts, and structured snippets where applicable. Utilize demographic targeting to refine your audience. Adjust your settings to focus on the demographics that convert best. Consider time of day targeting to maximize effectiveness. Analyze which times yield the best conversion rates. Test different ad formats to see what resonates most. Experiment with text ads, responsive search ads, and image ads. Implement A/B testing for your ads. Create 2 variations of your ad to see which performs better. Make adjustments based on the results of your tests. Regularly review your search term reports. Identify new keywords to add to your campaigns. Add negative keywords to eliminate irrelevant traffic. Optimize your landing pages to improve user experience. Ensure that your landing pages are relevant to your ads. Monitor your quality score frequently. Aim to keep your quality score high for better ad positioning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.